friends, welcome you all on my channel IELTS at Home. This is Navpreet, your host, guide and mentor on this channel. In my previous video, I taught you how to make simple sentences in present and past form. And in today's video, we are going to learn how to make simple sentences in future form. If you haven't watched my previous video, just click on the I button on your screen. You can find the link of that. And click in the description box below if you want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And also at the end of this video, I have given the practice exercise to solve, and try to solve this and mention in the comment section below your number of correct answers. So let's start.
You can see on your screen simple sentences chart. I have divided it in two parts, type 1 and type 2, and there are three forms: present, past and future. Presently we are discussing type 1, and in my upcoming video we will discuss type 2. In my previous two videos we already discussed present and past form of simple sentences, and in today's video we will discuss future type 1. So in future, the identity of future simple sentences in Hindi is at the end of the sentence you can find hoga, hogi and honge, and we use will be in this simple sentences in future form. Well, there is no use of shall be in simple sentences in future form. We use it in our tenses but not in simple sentences. So here with every subject we use will be, and for negative we use will not be. So let's start with future type 1 simple sentences. Well, in every simple sentences, either that is a past, present or future, there are four types: affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. So you can see on your screen in the left side affirmative sentence, or on the right side negative sentences with their rules. And identity of future simple sentences you can see on the right side of the upper side corner: hoga, hogi or honge. You can find these kind of words in Hindi sentences at the end. So those sentences will be future simple sentences. So firstly, let's start with the affirmative sentences. What is the rule in affirmative sentences? The rule is, firstly you need to write the subject of the sentence. Then our rule is, because it's future simple sentence, we use will be, not shall be, and then object, full stop. So you can see the examples. I have written some examples. Sabhi vidyarthi wahan honge. Sabhi vidyarthi, that is a subject, it means all students. So our rule is, according to future simple sentence, we use after subject will be and then object there. There means wahan. And next example is मैं कल ऑफिस में होंगी. मैं means I, will be, in office tomorrow. Kal means tomorrow, in office is our subject. So next, वह कल मुंबई में होगा. वह, maybe that person is a he or she, will be according to rule, and then our subject in Mumbai tomorrow. वे दुकान पर 4 बजे होंगे. वे, they are more than one, so we use they. Will be in shop at 4 o'clock. So these all sentences tells us about the possibility of future. So that's why we use simple future sentence rule. As I earlier discussed that what is a simple sentence. In simple sentence there is no verb, and if there is a verb the subject doesn't perform that work. Okay, so in the negative sentence the rule is same as affirmative, but you just need to put not between will and be. So rule is subject plus will not be plus object. See the example. सभी विद्यार्थी वहाँ नहीं होंगे. So your subject is सभी विद्यार्थी means all students, and then नहीं होंगे will not be, then object there. Next example, मैं कल ऑफिस में नहीं होंगी. I will not be in office tomorrow. Many students try to use the tense form of future. So in many of the sentence we just need to use our future simple sentence rule. So try to learn this. This will be very helpful for you to speak a perfect English. वह कल मुंबई में नहीं होगा. He, she will not be in Mumbai tomorrow. So you can see that I have written in all examples not between will and be. So this is the main rule for negative sentences. In future simple sentences, will be is used with all subject, not shall be. Now you can see on your screen future simple sentences interrogative and negative interrogative. So firstly, interrogative sentence, the rule is will plus subject plus be plus object, and at the end of the sentence there is a question mark, and you can also make these sentences with WH questions. So if you want to add WH question, you need to write it in the starting of that sentence. So firstly you can see the first example, क्या सभी विद्यार्थी वहाँ होंगे? Because according to rule we need to use will in the starting, so we write will, then subject sabhi vidyarthi, all students, and then we need to use be after the subject, so we write be and then object there and then question mark. क्या मैं कल ऑफिस में होंगी? Will I be? Will, according to rule we put will in the starting and then we use subject, that is I, and then be and then object, in office tomorrow and then question mark. क्या वह कल मुंबई में होगा? Will he be in Mumbai tomorrow? You can write he or she here because the subject is not clear. वह कब तक घर पर होगा? Until when? This is the WH question type. वह कब तक घर पर होगा? कब तक means until when, and then you need to write your full rule again. Until when is your WH question, and then will, then subject he, and then be, and then object at home. Next example, अगर मैं अपना काम पूरा करूँ तो बॉस मुझ पर गुस्सा क्यों होगा? Why will my boss be angry? Why is your WH question. Will is according to rule, and then subject my boss, and then we use be, and then our object angry if I complete my work. This is a conditional sentence. We will discuss these type of sentences in my upcoming video. And then negative interrogative. The rule is same as in interrogative, but you just need to put not after subject. So what is the rule? Firstly, you can start with the WH, or if there is no WH question, then simply start with will, then plus subject, not, plus be, plus object, then question mark. Like, क्या सभी विद्यार्थी वहाँ नहीं होंगे? According to rule, we need to use helping verb will in the starting, will, and then subject. What is the subject? सभी विद्यार्थी, all students. नहीं होंगे, not be there. Now you can see on your screen a practice exercise for future simple sentences that we recently discussed. So try to pause the video and solve this exercise, and then play the video and check your answers. And don't forget to write your number of correct answer in the comment section. So pause the video and try to solve. I hope you all have solved the exercise, and now you can see the answers on your screen. Just check your answers and don't forget to tell me about your number of answers which are correct in the comment section below. So thank you. Thank you all for watching my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can find the link of that in the description box below. And if you are interested to watch my previous videos related to IELTS as well as grammar, you can click on the I button on your screen. And feel free to give your suggestion and queries in the comment section below. In my upcoming videos, we will discuss the type 2 of simple sentences in all three forms, present, past and future. So stay tuned for more videos. Good luck.